HSC day, 1 week to the exam. Here's a band 5 question. On a tray, there are 12 hard standard chocolates, 8 soft standard chocolates, and 2 are selected at random. A partially complete tree diagram is shown. What's the probability of selecting one of each type of chocolate? Alright, so first thing we're going to do, just fill out the tree diagram. So if that's 12 out of 20, this is going to be 8 out of 20. If you select the hard, you can't select the hard again, so it'll be 11, and it's 19 in total. And then these two need to add up to 1, so the answer is just going to be 8 over 19, because 8 and 11 make 19. If you select a soft, you can't select a soft again, so you have 7 out of 19. And then these two need to add up, so it's going to give you 12 out of 19. Cool. So one of each, that means I want HS or SH. So the probability of HS plus the probability of SH. Here's a shortcut for you. These two probabilities are the same, so just calculate 1, then double it. So it's going to be 2 times the probability of HS. It's going to be 2 times HS is going to be 12 out of 20 times by S, which is 8 out of 19. So how I got that, H is that, S is that. Following those two together, that will give you your final answer of 48 out of 95. And that is your answer.
Yeah, I love Mr. Hobson. I'm pretty sure he's an HSC marker as well. But most students will miss a very important lesson from this video that will get rid of silly mistakes entirely. Notice how good his working is. And this is why it's important. When I look at a lot of students working, it's just a whole lot of blob on the page. I tell students to judge their working like this. If I was to look at your working without seeing the question before, would I know what's going on? And 9 times out of 10, you have no idea. And why this is important, if you finish the question and you're going through it to make sure it's right, and you just see a whole lot of blob on the page, how are you meant to fix any of the silly mistakes if you have no idea what's going on? Plus, if you make a silly mistake that carries through, but your working is all over the place, do you think the marker's really going to spend the time piecing through your working when they've got thousands of other papers to mark? You need to master working now before it throws you around in your HSC exams. And if you want my complete HSC standard math system with more than 4 hours of proven strategies, neuroscience-backed learning methods, and step-by-step HSC standard math topic breakdowns, just DM me the word blueprint and I'll send it over completely for free.